Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on this makeup look. This look was inspired by PatrickStarrr. I just watched his tutorial on this look like last night or something, and it just made something in me like scream. It was just really awesome, and it really made me like want to go full out with my makeup because I haven't really done that in a while, I feel. If you want to know how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and done my foundation and my eyebrows. The focus of this tutorial is going to be on the eyes. That's what I want the focus to be on anyways. And I also include my foundation routine in pretty much almost every makeup tutorial that I film, so let's just switch it up today. But I will link my current eyebrow routine in my description if you are interested in that. I don't even remember what shades he used, or even remember what exactly the look looks like right now. I'm gonna start off by taking this shade right here. It's from the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I'm just gonna apply it in my crease, and this is just gonna be my transition shade. I hope that this lighting is doing it for you guys, or just doing it for me in general, because the spot that I was filming at before, the lighting wasn't that great, but I just really liked the background, and yeah, I was trying to make it work, but it obviously wasn't working. I'm gonna take Undeniable from the Lorac Gold. I'm just gonna like focus this on the outer corner of my eye. This mirror is so dusty that I'm gonna just have to use this mirror. Whoa. Okay, now I'm going to just go ahead and take Unedited from the same palette, which is like just a dark brown shade. I'm going to just pack this on my outer corners. Whoa. Now I'm just going to go back in with Undeniable, and I'm just going to go in with this shade again just to like blend out whatever the heck I just did. I'm going to go back in with the very first shade that I used and just smudge this along my lower lash line. Whatever's left over on this like fluffy blending brush, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna take this pigment. Actually, I'm gonna be using two pigments from MAC. The first shade that I'm going to use is called Tan. What I'm going to do is just take a shader brush. This is a MAC 213 brush. I'm going to spray it with my Mario spray. And I'm just going to focus this on my lid. Kind of like the center of my lid. I actually think he did a halo eye, which I did not do, but I can. Let's do it. I'm going to take a little bit of that dark brown shade that I used, Unedited, and just add a little bit of this to the inner part. I'm not doing it as dark as the outer. Oh, somebody's knocking on my door. But tell me the truth, are you leaving at midnight or are you not?
Maybe, yeah.
What? Okay, so I'm gonna take these Urban Decay glitters. This one's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm stoked because I'm basically just going over like the center of my lid with this. In Patrick's tutorial, he used just like a shimmery eyeshadow, but I didn't want to just do an eyeshadow. I wanted something that was just really going to be like intense. That's going to be it for the glitter. I feel like the lighting is going down a little bit, so that's great. I'm going to take this Kat Von D eyeshadow. This is broken, so I'm not going to open it, but it's in the shade Thunderstruck. I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and underneath my brow bone. Ooh, I love this shade. Okay, so like always, my camera died. I went ahead and did some winged liner. Patrick used brown liner, and I don't even know if he used liquid liner. I can't remember. But I didn't have brown liquid liner, so I just used black, but I think that brown would have looked really cool with this. And then I just popped on some lashes. And now I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna take this Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. I'm just gonna put this on my cheekbones, my nose. Last thing I'm gonna do is just put on some lip gloss. This one's from Buxom, and it's in the shade Dominique. Just a clear gloss, but it has like some sparkles in it, and I like it. I've been into gloss lately. I feel like I always look so funny whenever my hair is like super messy like this, and then I have on like this much makeup and I'm just wearing like a t-shirt or something. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please thumbs it up. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not already.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
I am. Show me some things around town.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. Wait, I gotta finish this really quick. Now there's another plane.
I thought you already finished.
I have to wait for the plane to go by. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Catch you later.